So what is an iridologist? An iridologist is someone who practices the science of iridology, and it's a non-invasive health check using a iridology camera, specialized one, or in the olden days, or those iridologists. What is an iridologist? An iridologist is someone who practices the science of iridology, which is the study of the iris, the colored part of the eye, and from there, weaknesses or potential weaknesses in various organs can be discovered when the person is having any illness or disease. Often, the iridology examination or consultation will be able to pinpoint the root cause of these illnesses or these health concerns and to address them using natural remedies. It will also help the patient to wean off any chemical medication that may be reliant on. So what is an iridologist? An iridologist is someone who practices the science of iridology, and it's a non-invasive health check using a iridology camera, specialized one, or in the olden days, or those iridologists who are not so up to technology, they may be using the old style magnifying glass and torch to examine your eyes, similar to what the general practitioner doctors used to do over 25, 30 years ago, when they had more time to spend with the patients and to care for their health. And iridology normally takes, the consultation normally takes at least 45 minutes, because apart from taking the eye photos or examining the eyes, there will also be the analysis, where the findings and the potential weaknesses can be discussed and addressed, and we can also pinpoint where the remedies can be in terms of natural remedies, how chemical medication may be weaned off so that the body is not harmed in addition while it's trying to heal. You do not put more harmful chemicals into the body. I hope that makes sense. Iridology, we use a chart called the Iridology chart, where every marking in the eye depicts a certain area of the body. For example, our digestive system, our lungs, our heart, our back, our liver, and so on. Even our skin. So it's a very comprehensive health check. If you know how to use it, then it's a really wonderful non-invasive tool. Iridologists spend years studying the art of iridology, and most of us also have knowledge in nutrition so that we can know what to do after diagnosing or finding the illness. And we also provide, a clinic such as ours also provides aftercare support, so that after the consultation, you're not left alone. You're able to contact us and have that remote support. And if you live close by, you're also welcome to revisit us again at a mutually convenient time, so that we can answer any further queries or clarifications that you may need and give you the support that you need so that you can get the results that you require, the wellness results that you so desire. So if you haven't had an iridology consultation before, do book in for a discovery call with us so that we can answer any questions before you take that leap of faith to try the iridology consultation out. However, if you've already been or experienced an iridology consultation, why not come back and have a checkup? It's important because we all check our cars up, we all check various other parts of our health up, why not have that iridology consultation to give your body the so-called MOT, the annual checkup or the biannual or quarterly checkup that you need. If you haven't had a checkup for years, then we strongly recommend you come back for one. And if you've had a consultation before, and if you do have any serious illnesses, life-changing illnesses such as diabetes or cancer or skincare concerns, then or digestive issues, then we strongly urge you to book in for your follow-up check-up as well, so that you can receive further guidance, further accurate guidance to get you better.